In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a folder through Gmail in just 5 minutes. Now, sending an entire folder directly through email isn't possible, but don't worry, there's a simple workaround. We'll be zipping the folder first, allowing it to be sent as a single file. Let's dive right in. First, you need to locate the folder on your computer that you wish to send. It might be sitting on your desktop or hidden somewhere in your documents. Just make sure you know where it is. Okay, you found it. Now here's what you do next. Right click on the folder. This will bring up a list of options. From this list you need to select send to and then click on compressed zipped folder. What this does is create a zip file of your folder, essentially compressing all its contents into a single, more manageable file. With your zip file ready, it's time to head over to Gmail. Open your browser and navigate to your Gmail account. From the main inbox screen, look for the Compose button, typically located at the top left corner, and click it to begin drafting a new email. Now in the composition window that pops up, you'll need to fill in your recipient's email address. Make sure you've entered it correctly. You don't want your folder ending up in the wrong inbox. Next comes the subject line and the body of the message. The subject line should briefly convey what the email is about. Something like "here's the folder you requested" could work well. In the message field, it's always a good idea to write a quick note explaining what you're sending and any other relevant information, making your communication clear and professional. Moving forward, it's time to attach the zip file. You'll notice a paperclip icon at the bottom of the composition window. This is the attach file function. Click on that and a browser window will open up, allowing you to navigate through your computer's files. Find the zip file you created earlier, select it and click open. This action attaches the file to your email and you should see it appear beneath the subject line. Finally, review your email to ensure everything is correct: the recipient's address, your subject line, the message and the attachment. Once it all looks good, you're ready to send it off. Hit the send button, which is usually at the bottom of the email window, and there you have it. You've successfully sent a folder through Gmail by transforming it into a zip file first. This simple method makes it incredibly convenient to manage and share folders via email. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful for you.